Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best guinea pig cage liner is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items for any guinea pig owner, as it directly impacts your pet's health, comfort, and your home's cleanliness, making the choice of a washable liner a game changer for both you and your furry friends. Number 5. Washable Guinea Pig Cage Liners. Get a great value with our 5-pack of cage liners, perfect for small pets like guinea pigs, hamsters, and rats. Keep their space clean and hygienic effortlessly. Our liners feature a highly absorbent layer that locks in moisture and controls odors. Enjoy dry and fresh bedding throughout the night. With a waterproof inner layer and an upgraded non-slip backing, these liners prevent leaks and stay securely in place. Protect your floors and reduce mess. These durable liners are machine washable and dry quickly. Reusable and eco-friendly, they offer a sustainable alternative to disposable bedding. We stand by our product with a 366-day warranty. If you're not completely satisfied, we offer replacement and refund services for your peace of mind. What we like? This option comes in a convenient 5-pack, making it a very cost-effective choice. Its super absorbent core and anti-slip backing ensure maximum dryness and stability. If you're looking for a budget-friendly solution that keeps your pet's cage clean and dry with minimal fuss, this is a great pick. What people say. The cage liner is very absorbent and keeps the cage dry. It is easy to clean and dries quickly. The liner fits perfectly in my guinea pig cage. Number 4. Reginary Waterproof Guinea Pig Blankets, 4 PCS. Keep your floors and furniture spotless with our waterproof pet blankets. The waterproof lining effectively prevents leaks, protecting your home from stains and dirt. Made with soft fleece and a special body-reflecting material, these blankets keep your pet warm and comfortable. The cute paw print design adds a touch of fun. Cleaning is a breeze. These blankets are machine washable and the pet hair comes off easily. They are designed for repeated use, saving you time and effort. Use them in any season. They're perfect as warm blankets, comfy mats, bath towels, or even picnic companions. They also work great as cage liners to control odors and moisture. Take comfort on the go. These blankets are ideal for use on sofas, chairs, beds, floors, and are convenient for travel by car, subway, or plane. You'll receive 4 washable blankets in assorted colors, each measuring 24 by 16 inches. They are perfectly sized for guinea pigs, hamsters, rabbits, and other small animals. What we like? This set offers a soft, comfortable fleece surface with a cute paw print design that pets will love. Its multifunctional nature means it can be used as a blanket, mat, or cage liner, perfect for various seasons and travel. If you prioritize comfort and versatility for your small pet, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The liner is very absorbent and keeps the cage dry. Easy to clean and wash, holds up well after multiple washes. The size is perfect for my cage and fits snugly. Number 3. Guinea Pig Cage Liner 16-foot, x 24, 2-pack. Save money and the environment with these washable cage liners. They are designed to be reused hundreds of times, reducing the need for disposable pads. Each package includes 2 cost-effective liners for easy replacement. Our liners feature a multi-layer design with a soft, breathable surface and a highly absorbent layer to lock in moisture. The waterproof inner layer prevents leaks, while the upgraded non-slip backing ensures they stay securely in place. These liners quickly absorb pet urine and control odors, keeping your pet's habitat clean and dry. They lock in moisture immediately, preventing it from reaching the surface and ensuring nighttime dryness. Cleaning is simple. Just sweep, shake out debris, and toss them in the washing machine. They are easy to install and remove, making the cleaning process hassle-free for pet owners. Perfect for guinea pigs, hamsters, rabbits, and other small animals, these absorbent pads can be placed anywhere. Use them in cages, on floors, or furniture to keep your pet's feet clean and dry. What we like? Designed for extensive use, this liner is reusable up to 400 times, offering exceptional value and environmental benefits. It boasts excellent absorbency and a reliable non-slip design to keep it in place. If you want a durable, eco-friendly option that provides superior protection against leaks and odors, consider this. What people say. The liner is absorbent and keeps the cage dry. Easy to clean and wash, holds up well after multiple washes. Good size, fits the cage perfectly. Number 2. Washable Rabbit and Guinea Pig Cage Liner and Bedding, 2-pack. Experience superior absorbency and odor control with our innovative 4-layer design. It locks in moisture and smells within 30 minutes, keeping your pet space clean and fresh all day long. Cleaning up is a breeze. Unlike fleece, debris doesn't stick to the surface. Just shake it off and toss it in the washing machine for effortless cleaning. This convenient 2-pack offers a sustainable and cost-effective solution. It's machine washable and reusable up to 200 times, outlasting traditional pads. Our built-in waterproof barrier prevents leaks and protects your floors and furniture from accidents. Enjoy a cleaner, fresher living space for your pet. Designed to fit CNC 2x4 cages perfectly, it stays securely in place thanks to its anti-slip backing. Your pet will enjoy a stable and comfortable environment. Add a cheerful touch to your pet's habitat with this stylish blue liner. It's perfect for rabbits, guinea pigs, and other small animals, serving as bedding, a floor mat, or a pee pad. What we like? This liner is specifically designed to be easier to clean than traditional fleece, with a surface that prevents hay and debris from sticking. Its fast-drying properties and perfect fit for CNC cages make maintenance a breeze. If you're tired of messy cage cleanups and need a liner that fits specific cage sizes, this is the one for you. What people say. The liner is super absorbent and keeps the cage dry. Easy to clean and reuse, saving money on disposable liners. The size is perfect for my guinea pig cage, with no gaps. Number 1. Midwest Homes for Pets Guinea Pig Habitat Replacement Canvas Bottom. Keep your pet's home clean and dry with this durable, leak-proof replacement bottom. It's designed for easy maintenance and hand washing. Attaching this replacement bottom is a breeze. It features Velcro tabs for a strong and secure fit in multiple locations. This replacement part is specifically designed for the Guinea Pig Habitat Model 171GH and the Guinea Pig Habitat Plus Model 171GHP. Cleaning is simple thanks to the hand-washable, PVC-lined canvas. It ensures your pet's habitat stays fresh and hygienic. Add a touch of style to your pet's enclosure with this attractive teal canvas bottom. It's both functional and visually appealing. What we like? This is a direct replacement canvas bottom specifically designed for certain Midwest guinea pig habitats. It features a durable, leak-proof PVC lining and secure Velcro tabs for an easy, stable installation. If you own one of the compatible Midwest cages and need a reliable, easy-to-clean replacement part, this is your best bet. What people say. The liner is very absorbent and keeps the cage dry. Easy to clean and reuse, saving money on disposable liners. The size is perfect for my guinea pig cage, providing ample space. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.